Hey, Tana with WTI. If you are in the market for a rechargeable, affordable hearing aid, then you are going to want to check these ones out.
These are the mini RIC hearing aids from Wrooc, and they are so nice and discreet, very low profile, and it comes with everything you need right in the package, from a carrying case to extra earbuds to a really convenient charging port. These are so simple and easy to use. They actually have four different modes that you can put them in. So, whether you're watching TV, driving, wanting to just have a conversation inside or outside, they adjust so effortlessly. They also are charged for up to 30 hours of continuous use with just a quick 2 to 3 hour charge. So, you don't have to worry about not being able to hear in whatever situation you're in. Whether you are hearing impaired or you have someone in your life who's looking for a great hearing aid that they don't have to go through tons of testing for, this is so perfect. It is effortless. I really think that these are such a great item to have.
If you've been looking into getting a good pair of rechargeable hearing aids, let me recommend these ones to you. I think they are absolutely fantastic, and that's my point of view.